In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of a task in Google Calendar. We'll walk through 3 easy ways, starting with the quickest option. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. On your calendar grid, locate the task you want to update. Click it once to open the details pop-up, then select the pencil icon to edit. Inside the edit view, look for a color circle or a color option, usually near the title or along the toolbar. Click it, pick the color you want from the palette, and then click Save. That's it. This is the fastest way to give a single task a new color so it stands out at a glance. If you don't immediately see the color selector, try expanding the window or scrolling. Some layouts tuck it away until you're in full edit mode. Now, if you prefer managing tasks from the sidebar, use the task list method. Open Google Calendar, and on the right side of the screen, click the tasks icon, the little check mark. This opens your task list. Find and open the task you want to edit from this panel. Click the pencil icon to go into edit mode. Choose a different color from the available options and click Save. This method is handy when you're organizing multiple tasks at once without jumping around the calendar view. If your tasks belong to a specific calendar and you want a consistent look across everything in that calendar, you can change the color for the entire calendar. From Google Calendar, look to the left panel under My Calendars. Hover over the calendar's name to reveal a menu button with 3 dots. Click those dots and select a color from the list. All items in that calendar, including any tasks tied to it, will adopt that color. This is great for broad categorization like separating personal and work tasks at a calendar level. For a simple color coding system, you might assign red to urgent tasks, green to completed or easy tasks, blue to work tasks, and yellow to personal tasks. Keep your palette consistent so your brain quickly recognizes what each color means. If you change a color and don't see the update immediately, refresh the page to force a visual update. That's all you need to start color coding tasks efficiently in Google Calendar. If you want, I can also show you how to color code tasks automatically in Google Calendar for better productivity, which is especially useful if you manage many tasks.